Welcome, Wheatle fam, MW over here. Gonna do a vid today about gaming coins. We were tweeting about it yesterday, talking about it, and well, it's like we felt that it was coming, and they started popping up. So, also shared a lot about it on my Twitter feed. Why don't I like a lot of gaming coins? It's a bit no, you have to be always honest about everything you do or say or whatever. And gaming coins are very volatile. They're very volatile, so for people, for traders, especially traders, they make a lot of money on gaming coins. But because the gaming coins are also very low capped, so they don't have got a lot of market caps, high market caps, the manipulators come in. The manipulators come in and the VCs come in, and it's the targets are the retailers, so anyone trading it or buying it, because there are a lot of people that are professional traders. They know how to trade it, how to get in, how to get out, what tools they use, how to do it, and etc. Even if it's on spot or it's on leverage, they really know how to nail that. But you have to keep in mind that a lot of manipulators, they see projects, gaming projects, and they know this project isn't gonna last. So what are we going to do? We're going to pump in the money to get the retailers in, people to invest. Is it the future? Yeah, this game is the future. And first of all, I have to say, I'm no fundamental gaming expert. Totally not. Yeah, there are a lot of experts out there, so go follow those guys and do your research on that. But the question now is, the question is very simple: is gaming the future? Let me answer this one. Let me answer this question directly. The best games in the world, those are not crypto games. I'm talking about really the big games in the world, like Fortnite, like Roblox, like Minecraft, like whatever. These projects are these games are hyped for a certain amount of time, and when people have played these games enough, like Super Mario was at sometimes on Nintendo and etc. Every game you play for a period of time, and new games get developed. So what happens is people go from games to game. So in my time, Tetris and Super Mario were very famous, for example. Like, and we've got what was that game? Sonic was a nice game on Sega. I don't know if I pronounce it good in English. Sega at that time, but guys, it's very simple. A game is a game. People play it. When people are done playing it, they go to the next game. So if you wanna invest in a project, invest in a project that develops a lot of games. So if you're going to invest in a company, invest in the company that is making games. This is where we can meet each other. So here I can agree on. But if I'm going to invest on a game, just a game, and these games are just, you know, guys, if you are watching this video and you haven't seen what happened in the previous cycle on gaming coins, then you're not doing your research. So first of all, go back at the previous gaming cycle and look at all those games, because I've got a lot of them in my portfolio, and they were worth a lot of money at that time, and they are worth almost nothing now. So if you think it's the future, yeah, okay, so enough about the fundamentals. I got a question, by the way, by some guy. He told me, oh, well, why did you sell them? I couldn't sell them, and I didn't buy them. I was holding big big company of crypto projects that were, if you were holding a certain amount of coins, they will give you on the ICO, they give you these gaming coins for free. And I couldn't sell them at that time because they were in an vesting program. So they are somewhere on my MetaMask or on my ledger, and well, they're worth nothing. They're worth nothing, and they were worth a lot of money that time. But okay, enough about that. Let's go into the charting. Okay, so super was the first one. This is, by the way, guys, this is, let me put on the indicators. This is, by the way, this is huge. This is incredible. This is really how gaming coins go. What is this? This thing did just a 3x in a week or more. This is crazy, but this is because the market cap is also very low. These low market cap coins, when they run very hard. So yes, to the traders and investors on the short term that just want to make money, this is a very good way to make a lot of money. So super was, I've traded a lot of super in the previous cycle, a lot, and I made some nice gains on it, but I did jump out right on time, just like I did with all my other coins. But for now, I shared this on the Twitter. We are reaching really FOMO areas, and this is, in my opinion, look over here. Because, by the way, guys, if you're charting, if you want to chart gaming coins, let me give you a tip. Use KuCoin charts, because KuCoin at that time, they were really the first ones that were listing those listing gaming coins, and they were very famous because they were listing a lot of gaming coins. So use KuCoin charts just like I'm doing now. So super on KuCoin. So for now, as you can see over here, this was the listing, and as you can see, boom, and this is where the team also started shorting the shit out of this. By the way, guys, I shared you, don't short or long gaming coins because they are super volatile. So if you do short it and you're not an experienced trader, do it on a 2x, 3x, max 5x, because these things can run hard. When they go, they can go hard. So you have to be really experienced to leverage trade gaming coins. As you can see on the RSI, we also look at this. This is madness. Almost 90. Almost 90. Come on, guys. This is just some VC or some wheel is just pumping the shit out of this. And you know how this ends? I'm gonna tell you exactly how this ends. This ends with smart money buys in over. Let me remove this because this is, I really have to explain you guys this. Guys, just listen now. Just listen to what I'm gonna say now. Listen very good. If you're a believer, don't watch this vid. If you think that gaming is the future, etc., just don't watch this vid. Over here, the smart money was accumulating over here. Smart money. These are people that know, are very informed about super and what is going to happen, and they only the people that accumulated over here can trigger this price rise. So what happens is, I also shared a tweet from a guy from Luke on Chain. I like that guy. He shows a lot of data, and there were people that bought in at 18 cents. I thought it was at 18 cents somewhere over here, and they sold today at 44 cents something. They sold here. This is smart money. And what happens is, people that have been accumulating over here, they will make retailers hodlers over here, because they will sell their bags to these people that jump in late. And you can say, yeah, well, why didn't retail accumulate over here? It's very simple, guys, because retailers don't have the information that this pop-up could happen. It was a risk for them, and there are so much altcoins out there. Why would they buy super? Why would they buy super? Why wouldn't they buy another coin? So it's just a gamble to take. And I can tell you that most of the people that have been accumulating here are not retailers. These are wills. These are VCs. These are whoever that got inside information about this company for about this project or whatever. And then over here is when retailers start jumping in. Oh, super is going to the moon, super, they start jumping in slowly, slowly, slowly. And the ones that bought in here will be selling, 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 selling in slowly. This is just how it works, guys. This is just, these are facts. And it's not only on super, it's almost on all coins. But you have to understand this thesis. So don't FOMO in. When you see a price just going up like crazy, go FOMO in. Okay, so enough about super. Let's go to the Pier. Also shared this one. I like Pier, by the way. I think this is one of the companies that is focused on releasing games and etc. And for over here, we had this accumulation a long time, and this bottom was really getting held up between the 283, and we made a nice rise. But for me, this rise is just like 90% of all altcoins made. Most of the altcoins all did like a 90%, 100% rise. Almost all of them. Only some did much better, but the average one. So over here, yeah, this is looking, we've got these regions of a little bit of turbulence, but let me tell you that Pier, if it takes off, it goes hard. Am I buying Pier? No, I'm not buying Pier, definitely not. I'm not buying any coin at this moment, any gaming coin. Why? Because I will only trade, and when I'm trading I look for opportunities and then I will jump in. I'm not buying, and spot buying, also not spot buying on these levels, definitely not. I will spot buy only when this thing comes down on some retest or whatever. So I'm not buying Pier, by the way. I'm just charting it for the people that do want to buy, and for me, in my opinion, when Bitcoin is at resistance levels, I'm not buying a lot of altcoins to trade or long. So this is something to keep in mind. Another coin, very important one. I'm not seeing a lot of people talking about it. Oh, this is a very old chart. Let me remove all this crap. So over here we've got Engine. Engine is also one of those from the previous market leaders. We've got this one, and it's also didn't pop up yet. So they're just making 3, 4, 5, 10%. And then we got Sand. Sand is also all this. I'm telling you guys, these are all old charts. So for now, Pier is also still at the bottom. So guys, suppose that this gaming, because there's one thing I do remember very, very, very good from the previous cycle, is that the gaming coins did very good during a bear market. So it was a very, 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 very hard bear market. Bitcoin was dropping, all the altcoins were going down, and gaming coins were like the hedge of the rest of the market. This is what happened in the previous market. Maybe we're going to get the same this time. I really don't know. I can tell you. But how can I know? Go check all the BTC pairs. So Sand, BTC. Super, BTC. Engine, BTC. I didn't check them yet. I didn't have the time to do it, but it's something that happened in the previous market. Because we were in a bear market and everything was going down, and the gaming coins were flying. So maybe we're going down on Bitcoin and all the other altcoins, and the money flow will get into gaming coins. Possible. But when that happens, I will share it on my Twitter when I see that. We've got also Mana, Decentraland, and this is also an old dog market leader. And as you guys can see, when these things go, this is, guys, what I'm telling you, the previous gaming season. Look how this thing went. I remember this very good because I was trading it. Look at it. It went like bananas. Guys, this thing just went up like, what is this? 723%. It just went and just in one line, boom, 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 boom. That's why I said these things, suppose someone was shorting over here, or here, or here. These guys all get totally liquefied over here. So, but as you can see, how they went up, they came down just as fast. And accumulation. So for now, are the gaming coins going to pop up again? I will have to chart my BTC pairs first. and I have to see also how the gaming coins are going to react to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will stop dropping and start dumping, will gaming coins hold against Bitcoin? And this is very important to know if we are going into a gaming season or not. So this is what I'm eyeing. And I think when you're watching my video, oh, wait a minute, MB, I've watched like 10 gaming coins vids. Nobody told me this. Guys, I'm no fundamental expert. I will not show you any gaming project. I will not show you any what to buy or not to buy. When I see that the gaming hype is getting in and it's trading against Bitcoin is when I will be the first one to start sharing charts on my Twitter, my TG group, and in the Mexc trading group. So, by the way, about the Mexc trading group, I don't know, I made a vid yesterday, the last one, the trading vid about Blur, and since then there are a lot of retailers that joined the Mexc trading group, friends group, and it had really a very positive reaction. So a lot of retailers, and the team is doing the trades, and they're really killing it. They're really killing all those short trades. There are a lot of shortings going on, and I've shared them in the Mexc private friend group, and it's really crazy. It's madness over there. They're really killing almost any trade. I'm still waiting for a losing trade, so I can share that one also, and I will share it on Twitter also when the team will lose a trade. But they're just killing it. So if you want to join the Mexc trading group, there's a link below. You can get the, don't do it for something, it's a free, so you're not paying anything, or it's a free private group. The only thing is for yourself. Don't do it for the team or for me, do it for yourself. You can watch my Mexc tutorial, and guys, all the gaming coins and shit coins available in the world are on Mexc. It's incredible, and the lowest fees by far. Have a nice one, and bye bye.